Magandang araw guys, for this video guys na ito ang chick valve guys, chick valve. Ito ang butin. Ato kaya stingan guys. Click guys. Oh. So guys, ato ilagay dito sa Homer rifle guys. Dito guys, oh, makita nyo kung ma-click po to guys. Bagong gawa guys. Chick valve. At ito guys, ato dikit guys para sa butin guys. Okay. Ito guys, butin. Butin guys, oh, butin. Butin. Ato ilagay dito guys. Okay guys. Ato ipasok guys ha. Ipasok. So guys, kompleto na guys, oh. Chick valve, butin, rifle. So guys, test-fire na guys. Kung click na guys. So guys, tingnan guys. So guys, let's go guys. It's fine. So guys, click guys. So ang lakas guys. So isa pa guys. Isa pa isa. Yung butin guys ha. So guys, close. Oh, fire. Shoot, butin guys ha. Okay guys. So ang lakas guys. Isa pa guys. Isa pa. So butin guys, oh, butin guys. Yun lang guys, oh. So yun guys, oh. Hindi malaglag ang butin guys, oh. So isa pa guys. So close. So fire isa. So guys, ito ang isubla guys with butin guys, oh. Ito na kumpleto na guys with butin. So please subscribe, YouTube vlog, like and share.